today and lots of people to mention. So let's get started with that. As you know, what we do, we cannot do without the help of our community sponsors. So let's take a moment to mention each of those. And when you're out in the community and you go to these establishments, please tell them thank you from Sunset Cruisers. A+ Rod and Custom, Advanced Auto Parts on 18th and Breckenridge, Briar Patch Restaurant, Champion, Dan Howard Drugs, Don Mario's, Fast Lane Auto Repair, Gype Auto Color, Home Depot,
I have no idea what it is,
Moonlight Restaurant,
but it is beautiful blue.
Real Hacienda, Shoe Stop, Soaking Wet Car Wash, Tap Motors, Texas Roadhouse, Wilburn Floral and Event, Willow and Pine, and Shiloh's. So again, without the help of those folks, the giveaways and the things that we do would not be possible. So we thank them.
Well, I guess the clue is it is a Chevrolet.
We are always accepting new members. So if you are not a member yet, you can do that here today. You just need to come up to the trailer and see Steve McNatton.
What model is it?
72.
72.
So thank you to them for doing that for us each and every month. Also, Road Tide Barbecue. They are set up on under a tent on the bridge building. If you have not had their food, I highly encourage you to do that.
That's cool.
They have pulled pork. They have hamburgers. They just have a lot, and their food is absolutely delicious. So please stop by.
Nice bicycle too.
We have t-shirts for sale up here at the table.
That's what I need.
Trailer, so you'll want to stop in and get you a new t-shirt for this year. T-shirts are $10, 2X are $15. So make sure that you get.
Let that get up and go.
If you are here with a vehicle.
.37 Ford. That's what it is.
What a bumper. Wow. Look at those taillights. V8.
We got that little girl. He's gonna like that. He just talked about preaching funeral stuff. People saying all the time as well that they're in a better place. If they're not believers, no, they're not in a better place. They're going to hell, and they don't want to.